From Ascension Lightworkers to the Ascension Lightworker Collective. First day of July 2025. A significant shift in the Earth's timeline has occurred, resulting in an acceleration of momentum. This shift is activating a higher level of consciousness known as the higher self-consciousness, allowing for the integration of God Source codes of light. Ascending souls are receiving and integrating new light codes of higher consciousness with openness and clarity. As a result, those ascending are evolving into a heightened state of being with enhanced abilities and a greater connection to the multidimensional aspects of existence. This shift will manifest more tangibly in physical reality. July's energy is diverse, highly charged, and uniquely different. There will be a greater presence of energy for effortless manifestations in the physical realm, as the collective consciousness has energetically opened this reality. The efforts of the ascending are characterized by sovereignty, endurance, perseverance, focus, dedication, self-connection, and self-realization. All have played a significant role in reaching this point. The unlocking of multidimensional aspects is centered in the heart space, leading to a growing sense of now being and feeling more multidimensional over the past 5 years. After eons of being disconnected from higher dimensional frequencies, our DNA is activating and awakening. The original divine blueprint is being fully restored. This DNA unlocking will propel the ascending collective into new levels of higher awareness, with the higher heart serving as the gateway to receive new information and light codes directly from Source. This heightened state will activate higher insights, knowing, seeing, and heightened telepathic and psychic abilities. The ascending are currently in the process of purifying past karmic relationships, releasing and fading out past pain memories. These relationships and soul lessons were formed during the Piscean Age that have created feelings of betrayal, loss, fear, anxiety, pain, struggle, and victimhood, which have had an extremely negative impact on physical health and overall general well-being. Your intellect and instincts are now guiding you to make vibrationally aligned decisions and reclaiming inner power and control from negative external influences. You possess the clarity and determination necessary to take the next steps. By clearing this duality from the mind and self, life changes, transforming the self to a multitude of higher potentials and ascension blessings. Ascension symptoms related to this shift are dizziness, disorientation, and fatigue, headaches, sinus pressure, skin irritations, dental issues, vertigo, dizziness. Other common symptoms include intense anxiety and sleep disturbances, such as insomnia or excessive sleepiness, vivid lucid dreaming, air ringing, and inner ear sensitivities. These are the results of energy fluctuations as the system adapts to the modifications and higher vibrational frequencies. Digestive issues may also arise, including changes in appetite, such as overeating or loss of appetite. The vagus nerve, which extends from the brain to the digestive system, is susceptible to imbalances leading to potential digestive issues. 144 flowing in. The incoming energy of July is revolutionary, and many ascending may experience radical shifts in different areas of life, including relocations, work changes, new opportunities, changes in the economy, politics, social life, and more. Some ascending may feel mental, emotional, and physical exhaustion. Whenever you experience a significant shift mentally, metaphysically, the physical world has to catch up. This is why taking a step forward can at times feel like taking 5 steps back. During this particular transition, we move to an energetic bridge that connects our past reality to our future timelines for realignment. The ascending are releasing and clearing deep emotional energies connected to past lives and the past in general. This process operates on multiple and profound levels. July is the 7th month and is related to truth, exposures, karmic lessons, healing injustice traumas, strengthening empathy, self-forgiveness, and ascension awakening. Ascending individuals may experience profound and rapid shifts in consciousness, merging, making them meld with universal energy of divine love. The number 7 month is associated with introspection, esoteric wisdom, seeking deeper meaning within, a time for deeper reflection on past experiences, current choices, and future aspirations. Number 7 highlights and activates metaphysical abilities, self-exploration, and into the search for more truth. Intuition is likely heightened at this time, guiding self towards clear insights and deeper understandings. Seeking truth. This is a time to question, explore, and uncover hidden truths. Some may experience emotional challenges, a tendency to overthink, or a desire to withdraw from social situations. These challenges are temporary. In the month of July, duality on Earth will be highly emphasized, revealing people's true selves, rather than trying to change or justify what is revealed. Accept it as the truth in all things and in all people. This will now come to light for many. Discernment plays a big part in New Earth energy. It will highlight what is hidden, unbalanced, and misaligned. The transformation begins within, through practicing self-love and self-acceptance, which reveals self's inner radiance and true essence, consciously building a strong foundation of self-worth and self-belief, expanding in self-awareness. As we tap into this planetary transmission, opportunities arise to expand self-awareness, gain new insights, and align with higher states of consciousness. It is a time for inner exploration, conscious evolution, and the integration of elevated wisdom and understanding. And loving and devoted ascension service, Ascension Lightworkers.